Okay, so wanted to show you how to use this Graphing Calculator 84X app that we downloaded if you just need some help with that. So far we've talked about adding and subtracting and multiplying complex numbers, and that is something that you are able to do in this calculator. So if you've been having trouble with that, this may be something you can use to kind of help you. So if I want to use it, you use it just like the calculators that we have in class. The buttons are the same. It looks kind of similar. So if I wanted to do, we're going to do just an addition problem. So if I want to say, all right, -4 minus 7, and let's say I want to use the I can say second and the decimal key down here, and it gives me the I. So then I want to close the parentheses, plus 5 minus 7I, okay? And I'm just going to press that enter button, and it will tell me that my answer is 1 minus 14I, okay? So another one, it also, you can do like the multiplication, so 5 plus 8I. And if you want to put the times thing, you can. If you just want to put everything in parentheses, you can. So times, parentheses, 6 plus 3I. Okay, so just the important thing with this is just make sure you type it in there exactly like it looks on the paper, because if you don't add the parentheses, it'll mess you up. It can give you the wrong answer, but that's how we use that if we had to square something. So let's say I had 2 minus 8I, and it was squared. I just press this button right there for the squared, and it gives me the answer still.